So now we are looking at the daily bias, the narrative, right? So
Right.
it's not gonna be 100% sure, but we are gonna guess which side the market is gonna move.
Right.
So here, if you see, there is a FEG, and this FEG can be respected or disrespected. So both can happen here.
Okay.
So if you look at the weekly FEG, the market is currently residing inside that. So it can either fill that or it
Mhm.
can reject and come back from there. So you see that midpoint out there, right? So that's called the
Right.
consequent encroachment.
It's exactly at that point.
Yeah. So if I remove the manual box, probably will start marking. So we'll just keep that how it's gonna react from there. So we're gonna call that as a weak CE. Once that's done, you come back to your daily bias, daily time frame. There too, you have to see how is the order flow is moving. So if you look
Okay.
at this, the market has taken this low. So if you just come back from here, so it's on a bullish trend. You can easily see the top, and it has taken the liquidity here, and there is a inversion fair value gap. So this is a inversion fair value gap. The market then closed below this. So we expect the market to still push higher and take this draw on liquidity, right? So
Right.
this is my narrative. So even in the daily, you see there is a FVG and you have day C, consequent encroachment. So we'll just mark that out. I come back to 4 hour. If I see this 4 hour, so it is given a close above this high.
Right.
So again, I can confirm the market is gonna be bullish. You see this, it's given a close, rejected from the FEG, rejected from the FEG, and it gapped up and the market is running towards the draw on liquidity. Okay. Even in 4 hours time frame, we see lot of FEGs here. So all this is gonna be FEG. If I mark this out, it's gonna be messy in the chart, so I'm just skipping it off. Okay. So this is a 4 hour FEG. So we are already into the 4 hour FEG, so let's not mark anything there. So we'll see what's happening. So we'll go back to our 1 hour. And we'll still see the FVG. And if you look at it, the interesting thing is, so this is the high, right?
Right.
It's close below this low and this low, this fractal lows. So we can call this as a breaker block.
Mm.
So breaker block, and you see this, it came inside the FEG and rejected back, and the market is inside this range. So it's still in the range.
Right.
That's a very old data, so we'll not consider much. We'll just work on the higher time frame. So we are there in 1 hour. So we have our weekly CE here and daily CE here. And I come to 15 minutes. I'm gonna see the session sweeps here. And whenever you start, right, just see what is the ATR and DTR. And if you see the DTR is higher than the ATR, you can expect the market is gonna consolidate.
Okay.
So we're gonna mark the London high.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the last point. You said something about consolidation.
So ATR is average true range. So that's the average price moved in last 14 days.
Okay.
And DTR is the point which it delivered today.
Okay.
Okay. So every day we have 5 sessions. One is Asia, London Open, New York, and London Close. And there is one more session called CBDR. That's the New York Close. Right? So market usually takes out the Asia high or low, London high or low, and then if it gives a market structure inside our time frame, we gonna try a entry there. So that simple as that. So mainly we gonna work from 10 to 11 EST. So this is the London high. I'm gonna just mark that as LH. And the London low has been already taken. And it's given a displacement also. Okay. This is London low. Just call it as LL. And the candle which caused this displacement, right? You see this fair value gap which is created. And the market is still residing inside. So two things can happen today. It can consolidate in the same place from up and down like yesterday. Or if it disrespects this, respects this and disrespects this, then the market is gonna be bearish. If it disrespects this bearish FVG, the market is gonna be bullish. That's it. Arun, you got it right?
Yes, I got it. Got it.
So the next draw on liquidity would be this Asia low. and we're gonna mark out the previous day high and previous day low. Previous day high is being taken and we're gonna mark the previous day low. Just call that as PDL, previous day low. So what all we have now for the draw on liquidity is this previous day low, this Asia low for a bearish trend. If we're gonna be bullish, it is gonna be on here, the week CE and the day CE. We haven't reached the day fair value gap yet, but we are inside the week fair value gap. And whatever you see here, right, once this candle is over, this FEG will get created on a week, and there are chances that the market can rebalance immediately. So this is a place where market can rebalance and come down to. Rebalance as in the prices have not traded properly there. So that's it for today's analysis. So we'll just wait and watch what's gonna happen in the news. 9:30 market open. 9:30. Just come to 1 minute. 9:30. 19909. So this open I mark, right? So this is also gonna be a crucial point. I just go to the 9:30 open and mark out the open. Similarly, I just go to 8:30 open and mark that price, because I'll tell you the time cycles later.
Okay.
So 8:30 open is 883. I'm looking for indicator. Okay, I'm looking for a new week opening here. I'll explain you what new week opening gap and new day opening gap is. Arun, do you have any insights in market profile and order flow?
See, in today market profile, uh, Asia POC is protected. The London section had bounced to Asia POC and bounced back up again.
Asia POC is protected. Okay, it's not taken
Yes,
out.
Asia point of control. No, no, no. It is protected. It just bounced from that back again.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, 1 minute. We'll just make it to single screen. I have multiple screens running over here. 1 minute.
We have news in 4 minutes.
Sarath, my screen is visible.
Yeah.
So this profile I made into split way, that is Asia section, London section, and now the current running one is a New York section. If you go by today, I used to see two types of profile. One is daily profile. It was not loading.
Arun, change the time to UTC -4.
Yeah. So this is a daily POC range. So the today morning open is again inside the yesterday value range.
Okay.
So like we seen yesterday, all the last 2 days, 3 days value area is overlapping again. So we can split the combine all these profile, and also
You combined
there is
everything.
I'm not able to combine in trading view, but in other system I have AMI broker. Yesterday I shown you, right?
Yeah.
In that one I can combine that in 50 charts.
Okay.
But in this trading view it is not that flexible to combine. Today I connected from my laptop, so I cannot show you that.
Okay.
So and also if you see, go back to the olden days, there is a, I will again, okay, there was a single print on the top. That is where the market rejection is happening all over here.
The place
Now it
we
is not
talked
showing
about,
out.
right?
Yes, the top.
Okay.
In the top exactly there was a single print. So as per the daily profile, the market had broken out the yesterday value area high, and yesterday volume value area. There are two profiles are inside. One is market profile value area, and the other one is a volume profile value area.
Okay.
If you could see, the market had taken a rejection from exactly at the top of the volume profile value area.
Okay.
This blue line.
Okay.
Okay, and also there was a single print, old single print, exactly overlapping here. That is where on 19 there was a fall had happened. So that was a good confirmation of sign for this fall. So that was the first entry. Second entry, I can tell you. That was a second entry for the fall. And where it taken a support in the sense, I'll go to the split profile. So these are the multiple split profiles: Asia, London, and current is New York. You can see exactly by 11 LTPO, exactly something around 4:30. It taken a support at the Asia POC and bounced back up again.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So now,
session wise also you can see here.
yes.
Okay.
There is a setting called section TPO.
Okay.
Okay. So this was my second entry.
Hmm.
First entry was in the morning.
Did you initiate any entry today?
No. I want to keeping myself calm for 1 week. Then I will initiate. In the morning, something around from yesterday, Valley area I it got rejected.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E. Hitting me got angry. That's like you, I had to face the problem.
Any close by POC now?
Yes. So this is also a one POC. Correct. G.
Where?
This is the developing POC. This is the existing POC. This is the day POC, right? Nothing is working in the page. 1 minute.
You bring the ambi broker here, no?
1 minute. I'll do one thing.
The news is over.
Okay. So, Sarath, this is Sammy Broker screen.
Yeah, one
Mm,
second. The
yes.
market is ready. One second.
Okay. Right. Fine.
S&P 500 and I want the Nasdaq here.
Sarath, you can take over and share your screen.
Yeah.
Sarath, you still have the trading view hanging issue?
No, not today.
Sarath, you can share your screen.
I'm sharing, right? So it's inside the weekly range, right? So that's where you see the rejection now. So it's taken out the Asia low. It's taken out the Asia low. And what you have here is you have this opening gap. So OB which is caused this, and so the market is rejecting an 1 hour FEG now. The rejection block.
Okay. And also, exactly, the current market is at Friday POC.
Friday POC. Okay.
Yes, yes. Friday, New York, Asia, like, sorry, New York section POC.
Okay.
This, about the volume.
So I noticed there is some crucial OB here.
Okay.
So you see this gap up, right?
Yes, yes.
So you look at this. So this is given a market structure shift. You see this. It's given a market structure shift, and it's created a fair value gap, the small one. See that? This is a crucial thing.
Okay.
You see this. It's created a market structure shift, and it's retraced back here and then push the market away very high. So this point and this OB can be a crucial one. This is gonna be a crucial area. Arun, update me if you see anything in order flow or market profile.
Yes, yes.
So,
See, as per market profile, it is getting bounced from POC.
okay.
It is exactly at that point only.
See,
But the red candle is very strong.
so you see this rejection block, right? So it's
Yes, yes,
rejecting
right.
from here, but I also see a heavy displacement here.
Right.
So
That's why waiting for the confirmation to take a entry.
to go for a long, we need multiple confirmations today.
Mm.
We cannot just enter like that. So this might just send the trade back down. Let's see. I need some sort of retesting happening here.
Okay.
So in 5 minutes, we have a fair value gap. I'm gonna see if it's gonna respect this midpoint of the 5 minutes fair value gap. So even if we short this, we need to see if there is any SMT here.
Sir, profile image I shared you in chat.
Yeah. Here in Gmeet,
Gmeet chat.
I don't see anything. Okay.
Oh.
I'm comfortable with Ami broker. I don't understand.
Okay. See, I'm a broker. I have to tune the timing. Uday is not available. So to get it tuned up. So for the time being, I'm using this.
But you can tune it, right?
Yes, you can tune it.
It's getting rejected at the value area low.
No. Do not consider today value area low. First point is Friday POC.
Okay.
It is getting rejected.
Mm.
And London value area, it was broken in the previous section. Now again, it is coming inside the London value area.
Okay.
So usually the previous day sections value areas are powerful compared to the current day.
Okay. How many points is this for? We cannot enter this trade at all. It's gonna be a huge stop loss.
Mm. The big displacement candle is very big.
Yeah. It's a news candle, right? 10 a.m.
Right.
10 a.m. candle. No way. Even if you want to enter here, it's gonna be at the midpoint of this.
Mm.
Once we see the rejection here, then again, if it takes the liquidity and gives a market structure shift, we can enter from there with a decent stop loss.
Okay.
This is mad. We cannot enter here. Did this come inside the fair value gap?
No.
Yeah, it just tapped inside.
Fine, fine.
So this is gonna be a, if it comes down, this is gonna be a inversion fair value gap. Minus FEG. Inversion fair value gap. This becomes the BPR. Okay.
Okay.
This becomes the BPR. See, in 30 seconds, do we get anything? So there is a small rejection point here. If it closes below this, we can enter here and have a stop loss here. But in 30 minutes, it is not mitigated the fair value gap. 30 seconds. In futures. But in spot, it is mitigated.
Right.
Let me check again.
But
It's
which one
mitigated. It's
works
mitigated.
the most?
It's mitigated inside.
Okay, fine.
30 seconds, you see a small fair value gap. That's a BPR. Price is respecting that. It's tough to see this, but you see how the price is responding to that.
Right,
So
right,
if we
right.
enter the sell now, there is gonna be this inversion fair value gap, this BPR and the OB, which is gonna
Okay.
protect us. I think we can sell. Market sell to.
Order filled.
So I'm gonna target this one.
Okay.
This is gonna be it. 5 minutes. Do I see anything? Seconds. So I just gonna quickly enter and exit. So
Okay.
I can trail the stop loss, but for me this is enough for today. So if it's gonna hit this, it's fine. you see the small fair value gap, right? See how it's
Yes,
responding
yes.
there. It's mitigated, so it might come inside this fair value gap again to fill the inefficiency. But we need to give a try here as well. Go to the higher time frame. My previous day low is gonna be this. So I can hold the trade, but I don't wanna hold the trade for this.
Okay.
So there is the fair value gap here. Want this to be inverted.
Sir, just trail it out. Some good volume had come out.
As in move the
Order,
target away.
order. Okay.
What you're saying?
No, no, no. Just trail your stop loss.
Okay. So it's hit the target.
Order filled.
I think we are done for today. So that's it.